Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Yeah, Quant is currently just consolidating here very nicely just above the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. No, let me just adjust that. I think that moved. No, it's just above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, but it's also at 95.5 cents dollars. Yeah, so yeah, we're basically just holding that level. That is sort of the minimum retracement level for a wave 4. You can see the impulse from down here can be counted as a 5-wave move. By the way, we can currently assume that the low for Quant is in. Yeah, that's most reasonably what can be assumed. Should even Bitcoin make another lower low, there's a chance that Quant just makes a higher low. Yeah, for example, if it now moves up in a 5th wave, Bitcoin then crashes down. Should Bitcoin make another lower low, which I don't know, but the likelihood is there, you can see how Quant could just make that wave 2, right? So that's what we're waiting for, yeah, that 5th wave to the upside. So from down there, from the absolute low at $40, Quant created here a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and the 5th wave in white is still missing. The wave 3 itself was an extended wave. You can count it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern as well, which is the impulse into the direction of the higher level trend. And we have an interesting development now here on the Quant chart. So it's consolidating, which is first of all bullish. It makes sense that this is a wave 4 because a wave 4 can usually be quite long. It doesn't retrace a lot, which is bullish. Without a problem, that wave 4 could also come down to $85. It wouldn't be a problem. It could even come down to the 50% Fib retracement, even though that looks quite strong. That would be at $76. The 23.6% Fib level here at 95 is really only the minimum that it's doing, all right? But here this could be, this could be just a triangle pattern that is currently still evolving, where, and I go to the 1-hour chart, where we're just waiting here for the, for the move to the upside. So it could be an Elliott wave triangle, but all we need to see, in my opinion, is just a breakout above the previous high here. And I think $112 is probably the most reasonable one. That's the previous wave 5 high, the wave 3 high, and a breakout above that level would take us to, in my opinion, at least $129. That is the minimum target for the wave 5 that I can see. Could even go all the way up to $154. So there is a bit of juice in here, but be aware that this would be the last wave to the upside of this uptrend. Strictly speaking, a wave 5 only needs to go a little bit above the previous wave 3. So it doesn't really need to get to 128, 129. It could just make a slightly higher high. That would already be enough if we can count 5 waves to the upside as complete. And from there on, it could just come down in an ABC. That's what I expect. As soon as we know how high wave 5 has gone, or at least roughly will go, we can calculate the target for this larger wave 2. And that is also when I will update the buy order sheet for channel members, because this is then sort of a longer term buying opportunity where I would expect another reversal to the upside in a larger wave 3. Now we can calculate for fun where that should take us. I mean, it's probably just a bit of a guideline now, but that's then when we really get into the bull run, I believe. Let's say we get all the way up to $129. We come down, let's say, to $60 again. Then we're looking at a $200 Quant in the next run to the upside. Okay, so after this wave 2 is finished. So that's then where we really talk interesting stuff, yeah, and where we're really already in the middle of the bull run, I believe, or in a massive bear market rally. But if we go to 200, we're already in interesting price areas. But yeah, so just short summary, I'm still waiting for that 5th wave to the upside. Thought we had here a little bit of a smaller triangle as well, and a descending trend line where we had it. We can still adjust the trend line. There's always a problem with trend lines like that. So you could argue it's not broken out yet. I think a breakout above this trend line could really fuel a move to the upside. You could argue this is a small inverse head and shoulders that you can see here as well, with the neckline here just at $100 basically, yeah. And the move above that $100 level, a breakout above this line. You can even just seeing that 1 second. Because you can extend that and then you have even a larger inverse head and shoulders. Yeah. Then with the breakout and the retest, that could take us up to that $129 level. So I think this is an opportunity. I think worth watching the chart. I think there will be another wave up. Yeah, it's currently looking like that at least. And I believe only a move below $85, or in the extreme case below $75, which is the 50% FIB retracement, would make that uptrend very unlikely. Yeah. But for now, we can expect it still to happen. For that, we would need to break in the first instance above that descending trend line. That is a first interesting development if that happens. And that could already take us to the previous swing high at $112. And from here, we can then move to hopefully 129. But as I said, this is not guaranteed to move up that much. All right, and that is my view about Quant. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.